The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not define a specific maximum distance for locating the disconnecting means inside a building or structure. Instead, the code relies on the authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, to determine what constitutes a readily accessible location nearest the point of entrance of the conductors on a case-by-case basis. Several factors influence this determination. Firstly, the size and type of the building significantly impact the location of the disconnecting means. In larger buildings, it might be necessary to have the disconnecting means situated in the central electrical room or at a main panel board to ensure accessibility from various points within the building. For smaller structures, the disconnecting means could be located closer to the conductor's entry point, since the entire electrical system is more easily accessible. Secondly, accessibility is paramount. The disconnecting means must be easy to reach and operate, particularly in emergency situations. This means it should not be placed in locked rooms behind obstacles like furniture or in any location that would impede quick access. Clear and unobstructed access is crucial for safety and operational efficiency. Thirdly, consider the proximity of the disconnecting means to other electrical equipment. It should be located in a way that minimizes the risk of damage from other equipment, water, or any other potential hazards. Proper clearance and protection from environmental factors are important considerations. The NEC provides some guidance in specific sections related to disconnecting means. NEC Section 225.32 addresses disconnecting means for feeders and branch circuits, emphasizing the need for a readily accessible disconnecting means either inside or outside a building or structure. NEC Section 230.70 A1 focuses on service disconnecting means, requiring them to be at a readily accessible location nearest the point of entrance of the service conductors. NEC Sections 240.21 B5 and 240.21 C4 pertain to overcurrent protection for feeder taps, outlining requirements for the location of overcurrent devices and disconnecting means. NEC Section 690.14 C1 deals with disconnecting means for photovoltaic systems, specifying that they be located at a readily accessible location nearest the point of entry of the conductors. Although the NEC does not specify a precise distance, the phrase nearest the point of entrance of the conductors implies that the disconnecting means should be as close as practically possible to where the conductors enter the building. This minimizes the amount of unprotected conductor length inside the building, reducing potential hazards. In practice, the AHJ will consider several factors when determining the acceptability of a disconnecting means location. These factors include the building's layout, the nature of the electrical system, potential hazards, and the overall safety of the installation. The AHJ may also take into account local amendments to the NEC or specific requirements imposed by the local utility company. To ensure compliance and obtain approval, it is essential to consult with the AHJ during the design and planning stages of any electrical installation. This proactive approach allows for a clear understanding of local requirements and ensures that the location of the disconnecting means meets all applicable codes and regulations. In summary, while the NEC does not mandate a specific maximum distance for the location of the disconnecting means, it emphasizes the importance of readily accessible locations nearest the point of entrance of the conductors. The AHJ has the final say in determining what is acceptable based on various factors related to the building, the electrical system, and safety considerations. Consulting with the AHJ early in the process is crucial for ensuring compliance and a safe electrical installation. The goal is to ensure the accessibility of the disconnecting means for safety purposes.